Hello guys, welcome back to yours helper YouTube channel. Today let us learn about sequential multiplication. It is also known as sequential binary multiplication as we do it in binary form of the number. So at starting I am taking normal multiplication to let you know the difference between normal multiplication and sequential multiplication. So let us see the difference. In both we'll get the same answer itself, but the process is different, that's all. Answer we get is same. I'm taking 5 and 3. It is given in integer form, so we have to convert it into binary. So I'm converting them into binary. 5 in binary is 0 1 and 0 1. 3 in binary is 0 0 and 1 1. Now I will do the multiplication for binary forms of the number, not to the integer forms. So I will be multiplying now both the binary forms. Now writing 5 at first, which is multiplicand, and then 3 which is multiplier in binary forms. Now I will start doing multiplication. Same process how you will do when integer part is given. Follow the same process. Then 1 is multiplied, then leave one space, then 0 with whole multiplicand. Same process how you will do doing with integer forms. Follow the same process, nothing is different. Just do the normal multiplication. That's all. 4 steps are completed. Now I'm doing addition to get the final answer. Now let us do the addition. When we do addition, we'll get 1 1 1 1 and all are zeros. So this is our final answer, which we'll get when we'll do multiplication for binary forms of two numbers, right? Now let us go with the sequential multiplication. In sequential multiplication also answer will get same, but the process differs, that's all. Let us go with it. Sequential multiplication. In this also I'll be taking the same example so that you'll come to know that there is no difference in getting answer. I'm taking 5 and 3. 5 in binary is 0 1 0 1 and 3 in binary is 0 0 1 1. Either of them you can take as M and Q. There is no problem in it. It is your wish. Here I am taking 5 as M and 3 as Q. Now there are 3 major steps which we need to perform in sequential multiplication. The first one, the major step, is checking for the last digit in Q. It is the major one as whole process depends on it. Then right shift, we will do right shift in each step so that each bit moves to right. And then the last one is we will add M to A. I'll let you know while doing the process when we will add M. Now let us start doing the process. C, A and B are the parts of the table which we will have in the sequential multiplication. C is carry, initially it is 0. A is initially we'll take zeros. How many bits are given? Those many bits will be taken in A as zeros. And Q from the question we'll write, that is 0 0 and 1 1. Now in the Q the last digit is 1. When it is 1, we have to add M to the A. So when do we add M to A? When we have 1 in last digit of Q. Okay, when we have last digit 1, we will add M to A, that is 5 0 1 0 1. I'm adding to A now. Adding the A value and writing it 0 1 0 1. Q and C will remain same. There is nothing changed in it. Now after adding I will do right shift. After adding I am doing right shift. One bit moves right. Similar process to the last. Every bit moves right in the right shift. Doing the process. So there is no carry. So C retains same. So after doing right shift, the last digit is 1. When we have 1, we will add M to A. So now adding 5 to A again, that is 0 1 0 1. So Q remains same, it will not change. When we add A, at the last bit if we get carry, we will write it in C. There is no carry, so we will write 0. So C also remains same. Now again we will do right shift after adding. That is 0 0 1 1 0 0 and 0. C remains same. Now after right shifting, the last bit is 0. So till now we have seen what we have to do when we have 1. Now we have 0 in the last bit of Q. So when we have 0, we will add zeros to A. So now we will add 4 bits of zeros to A. All will be zeros. Now Q remains same from the previous step, and A we will add zeros, so nothing will be changed. Same thing will be written. Q we will write as same. Now after adding, again we will do right shift. Add right shift. Check for the last digit. This is the process. Now again doing right shift. C remains same. And at the last digit we have 0. So we will add zeros. From the similarly to the previous step itself. Now Q remains same. Now I am adding A and zeros, nothing will be changed, same A value will be retained. There is no carry, so writing 0 in the C. Now again doing right shift. Each bit moves right. Doing the right shift till the last. C remains same. Now this is our final answer. Now once you check the normal multiplication answer and this answer, both would be same. There is no difference in answers. Don't get confused by number of zeros. Number of zeros will not matter. So how many steps we have to do to get the answer? This is your question, right? Let me tell you. How many steps is nothing but it depends on number of bits that we take in question. In question I have taken 4 bits, so I will do 4 steps to get the answer. So number of bits is equals to number of steps. Okay, this is the simplest way to remember. 4 bits, so 4 steps I'll do. So you should not count the initial step. We should count from excluding the initial step. Excluding the initial step, we have to count 4 steps so that you'll get the correct answer. That's what I'm writing. Now exclude the initial step. Now count 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the 4th step, you will do right shift. That's all. You'll get the answer immediately. You'll not add M or zeros to A. When we do the right shift, immediately you'll get the answer. That's all, friend. This is your sequential multiplication. If you have understood, let me know in the comments and comment down what are the topics you need me to cover and upload. And thank you so much for watching.